Most entrepreneurs are drowning in prompts but still broke on results. What they really need isn't more ChatGPT tricks. It's a system that turns those tricks into real revenue. And if you've ever felt like you're posting to social media nonstop, but nothing's compounding, this is for you. Because by the end of this video, you'll have a simple weekly system to find out what's working, publish smarter, and turn more views into leads and sales without hiring a team or burning out. I'll show you how to turn your internet browser into a $30 an hour AI marketing assistant using a powerful agent inside ChatGPT Atlas through 3 simple moves: scan, compile, and stress test. If you're on my 80,000 strong email list, you've probably seen my work, my latest AI book, The Wolf is at the Door, or the 40 Wild ChatGPT Hacks Guide. And you already know what my mission is: to turn AI rookies into future makers by fixing the real problem: overwhelm and broken systems. AI is creating a hard split. Rookies collect tricks, future makers build systems. That's why I wrote The Wolf is at the Door, so you're ready for the next 3 to 5 years, not just the next 3 to 5 minutes getting distracted by brand new AI tools daily. Because right now, most people, they're prompt rich and strategy poor. They hoard swipe files like treasure and wonder why nothing changes. That's why I built the scale method: scan, compile, assess, launch, evaluate. And today I'm going to show you the first 3 because they're fast, simple, and they get results. Now, quick context: if you haven't used ChatGPT Atlas, it's basically a web browser like Google Chrome, but with ChatGPT built into every single page. And agent mode is where it becomes a worker. It can open tabs, click through sites, collect what it finds, and brings it back as a clean summary while you stay in control. And the best part, it's free. You can grab it from the site and follow along with this video. So for the rest of this video, I'm treating the agent like a senior assistant. I give it a job, it does the browser grunt work, and I approve the output. All right, here's what you're going to do first. Move 1, scan. This is where most solopreneurs lose money because they create content based on hope. You post, you tweak, you try harder, and you still don't know what's actually working in your market. Am I right? So here's what we're scanning: what's winning on YouTube in your niche, what competitors are promising on their pages, and what your audience is literally responding to in comments and threads. All you do is give the agent a couple of keywords for your niche and a few competitor links, then it does the digging for you. Scan is simple. We're building a scoreboard of what your audience is reacting to right now, using competitors as the data source. We're not copying content like others are teaching you, we're extracting patterns. The promises people click, the proof they believe, and the objections that keep getting answered. As you can see, the agent is literally out there browsing the internet, opening pages, scanning what's working, and collating the patterns into a scoreboard. So we're not guessing, and we don't get drowned out by competitors. Screenshot this prompt or grab it from the link below with the free resources. Now that we've got signals, move 2 is to compile. Turn this into a ranked plan that you're clear on, because scanning is great, but if you don't turn it into actions, you'll still end up overwhelmed with just prettier data. So here's what I have the agent do next. I tell it, take everything you just found, YouTube winners, competitor promises, audience language, and turn it into a plan I can execute this week. Specifically, I make it compile an opportunity shortlist in 3 buckets: content opportunities, what to publish next, with titles, hooks, and angles that match what the market is already responded to; offer opportunities, what to change on my offer or website so more people say yes; headlines, bullets, proof, objections, guarantee; distribution opportunities, where to push it so it doesn't die in silence; partnerships, communities, platforms, and who to reach out to. And here's the key: I want it ranked by impact and effort, because if it's not ranked, it's just noise. Ranking is what turns interesting research into revenue actions for your business. So when the agent finishes, you're not staring at 20 tabs. You're staring at a simple list that tells you do this first, then this, then this. Now, here's a strategy I teach my members in the 28-day AI challenge to make this list actually usable. You force it to justify every recommendation. For each item, I want it to include three things: why it will work, i.e., which pattern it matches, the effort involved, low, medium, and high, and impact, low, medium, and high again, because that's what stops you from doing the fun task first that we all gravitate towards and makes you do the profitable ones first instead. To do this, you're going to need this prompt, so screenshot it or grab it from the link below. All right, we're up to move number 3, the stress test. Because you can do everything right up to this point and still lose money if your offer is unclear. Great content means nothing if your website or even your message doesn't make people go, "That's for me." So here's what the agent does next. It stress tests your offer against the market and tells you what to fix first. It checks the stuff that actually makes people buy: clarity, outcome, proof, objections, and friction. If you have a website or a sales page, paste the link into the agent in the chat. If you don't paste it, paste your offer in plain text: who you help, the results, how it works, proof, and your call to action. Either way, it can score it and improve it. I use the agent for research and drafts. I don't let it submit or send anything without approval first. Screenshot this prompt or grab it from the link below. And that's the system. Scan what's working, compile the smartest moves, and stress test the offer so your leads don't leak. Pretty simple, right? If you want all 3 prompts in one clean copy and paste kit, it's in the link below. This is literally how you beat the attention recession that I talk about in chapter 3 of The Wolf is at the Door. You stop reacting to noise and execute the 1 or 2 moves that truly matter.